How to run paid workshops on Eventbrite. The first thing you want to do is create an account on Eventbrite. You can do this for completely free. After creating your account, you'll be redirected to a dashboard like this, and you're going to select events from the top left hand corner, and we can select create event, and we're going to be creating our event from scratch. After doing that, you'll be able to upload photos or videos. So you could, for example's sake, upload a poster or an image related to the workshop that you're planning to keep. So let's say I were to use a random thumbnail for this example's sake. Keep in mind you can choose to add not only photos, but you can also add videos. So you can add both. So this is the cover image. You could scroll down and you could also upload a video if you want. Once you have done that, you're going to put in the title of your workshop. So I'm just going to call it workshop. So I'm going to type that in right here. After doing that, you're going to add a quick summary. So I'll say test workshop. Then we'll scroll down and you can add in the location of your workshop. So you're going to tap on the plus. Then from there, you can choose whether it be a recurring or it is a multi-date workshop. So let's say, for example, it will be a 3-day workshop or a repeating workshop. Let's say it will be held every other week or so on. You'll select recurring event. If it is a one-off occasion, you'll select single event. After doing that, you can choose online event. And you'll be able to host your workshop on Zoom or whichever other online platform you want. Then you're going to scroll down. You can add a quick overview. You can also add in frequently asked questions. So you could do that, or you could add in your custom questions. Then if you will be having multiple hosts, you can do that. You can select where you see lineups. We could tap on see example and you can see the lineup right there. And you'll be able to add lineups just like this if you want. So you can use this sample lineup or you can create your own. So I'll tap on the X right there. You could tap on add and you'll be able to add in the different hosts. So if there are numerous persons that will be at your workshop hosting it, you can add them in right there. Then you're going to tap on save and continue in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting save and continue, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, since our workshop will be held for 2 or 3 days, we're going to be selecting the dates. So the first one will be held on the 12th of August. After selecting the 12th of August, you'll be able to select the time that the workshop will start. So let's say 1:30 and it is going to finish at 3 p.m. Then we're just going to tap on save. After doing that, our second workshop will tap on add a date right here. And you can choose the date that it will be held. So let's say, for example, the 14th. And again, you can select the time. So I'll say from 4 to 5:30. And you're going to tap on save. So that's how you'll be able to add the dates. Then you're going to tap on next in the bottom right hand corner. After selecting next, from here you'll be able to add the platform that you'll be hosting your workshop on. So for example, you can tap on link to another platform right here. And you can put in the platform link. Or if it is a case that you want to host it on Zoom, you can also do that. After doing that, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and select add tickets. And from here, you'll be able to price your tickets. So we're going to be selecting paid. Then you can give the tickets different names. So since this is a workshop, I'm going to assume that there will be different tier pricing. So for example, let's say we have general admission. So I'll just call it general. Then the general tickets will be, for example, say they will cost $70. And they'll be absorbing the fees. And we'll be selling 20 tickets or 25 tickets, better yet. Then you're going to tap on save. After doing that, we're going to be also adding different tiers. So we're going to tap on add more tickets in the top right hand corner. Select paid, and let's say for example sake we'll be adding VIP tickets. So I'll select VIP tickets right here, and we'll be selling the VIP tickets for, let's say for example, $200. And you can enter in the quantity, so it will be 25 also. Then we'll tap on save, and you could also create another tier if you want, so you can create multiple tiers by tapping on add more tickets. After you're finished, you'll select next in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have tapped on next, you'll be redirected to the publish page. Keep in mind, the only reason why you're seeing this pop up right here is because I've not connected it to an external platform that I'll be using to host the workshop. But once you have connected it, you won't see this. And we can scroll down. You can choose a category for your event. So I'll be selecting seminar or talk, and you can choose the category right there. Let's say sports and fitness. Then you can also add in different tags. And scrolling down, you can select publish in the bottom right hand corner, or you could choose to schedule it for later. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Once it is finished, you can select preview from the left hand menu option, and you'll be able to see how it looks, as you can see right here. And persons will be able to visit the page, then tap on explore, and then from there they'll be able to purchase it. Thanks for watching.